Alright, what is up my Fred Riders and peoples? I still don't know what to call you guys. But last video I painted the rims, and I actually found somebody on on Instagram that has an eagle Talon, and it looks really nice. I'll probably put a link in the description of his Instagram, and I'll probably, maybe by the end of this video, I'll tell him about my channel and do it and show him what I do. But yeah, today's video, you probably tell by the title, I'm gonna be trying to take off the spoiler because I have a little trouble whenever I'm driving seeing through the back of the spoiler, and I'm just not liking it anymore. It just looks a little weird. And the way his car is, it doesn't have the spoiler, and it looks so slick and cool in my opinion. So I'm gonna do that. The plastic dip is still looking pretty good. Well, I almost fell. Looking amazing. And wheels look amazing too. They're just a little dusty. I think that where it has the screws are, yeah, or nuts or bolts. Let me just focus. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. There's one, and then the other one is over there, right there. So I don't know. There's gonna be one through here, maybe. I'm gonna see. So yeah. Alright, so the first screw is off, or bolt, whatever you guys want to call it. It's off, and I know for sure it's not a nail, but the first one is off. I'm using a 10mm, and but it started removing the other one. Hopefully it does come off and it doesn't just break my window. That'd be funny and crazy. But yeah, let's continue doing it. Yeah, oh god, there's rust in my tools. I wonder how that happened. Alright, on to the next bolt. Alright guys, so I just disconnected the wire that goes in the back right there. Oh, right there. And I finally found the last bolt. It's literally in between the holes. I don't know if you guys can see it here. I'm trying to see. I'm using my phone. Oh, it's right there. The holes are right, the bolt is right there. It's gonna be a hard to reach spot, but I think that should be the last one. And that's it. I was really scared of messing with the wires because this is still looking like that. I need to get that fixed. And I was really scared to disconnect it, but I was like, you know what, YOLO. And I just did it. Alright guys, so it's like literally over here. I don't know if you guys can see my face. Oh, gotta change the thing. Let me grab this and this. Using my trusty thing that I found from my dad's actually shed. He doesn't really use a lot of these, so I decided to take them. Come on, let me put that in there. Oh, we're in, boys. Hopefully that doesn't fall in. That's gonna be the pain in the butt if it goes through the back and it falls. Alright, well, where's the camera thing? We got it. Oh, I thought I was gonna drop it, but wow, these bolts are rusted. I think I'm gonna try to get new ones. Alright, so let's see. Moment of truth. Alright, moment of truth, guys. Let's see, we got this. Alright. I don't want to just rip it off. It might break. So I might have to use a heat gun because the sides are still pretty intact. But besides that, maybe if I pull it a little bit faster. Oh man, I'm really scared. Alright, let's see. It is slightly lifting up from the sides. Maybe if I just continue doing that kind of pressure, it should be good to go. Or I might just use the heat gun. What should I do? Comment down below if you think it's gonna break and snap. Try to see if there's any more screws. It looks like it's about to come off. It's literally the sides are the things are I'm more scared of. Alright. Let me just wiggle it a little more. Come on, baby. Don't break on me. I might actually have to pull out the heat gun. I'm not sure though. pretty scared to just yank it off. Here, let me show you guys. Right here. The sides is what's worrying me. Look at this. I guess you can see it better from this angle. The inside, maybe? No. Well, it's the side. So I don't know what I can really do. I might have to use a C gun. Let me see what I can do, guys. Alright guys, so I am making progress. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall or anything. But it's sounding horrible and it scares me so much. I have lifted up this much. Here, I'm gonna be quiet so you guys can hopefully listen. I've been trying to lift it up slow and steady. Alright, the wire is out. Maybe I can just pull it off now. Oh, I can't. What the? You guys are probably like, what are these angles? But, you know. Alright, I think that's good enough. Oh no, my phone fell. Too much angle. Here, let me help you guys out. Alright guys, if it breaks, this will be my last video. Here, let me just hold this down. Well, I hold it so it doesn't shatter or anything. What is that? Oh, the hood or the spoilers is unbending. I repeat, the hood is unbending. Hopefully this isn't bad to breathe. Oh well. Oh, I got it. And we gotta cover this all up somehow. So yeah, we took it off. Nothing broke. It did unbend slightly whenever I was pulling it. Like it was going back into its natural form, head ass. Okay. All right, shoot. All right, guys. So we're recording a different spot because I've been delaying this part of the video of the spoiler. I'm with my friend Juan. I just did running for track. Anyways, this is how the spoiler looks without the spoiler. The spoiler looks without the spoiler. I'm not sponsored. Alright, so I bought these waterproof things. I forgot what they're called.
Sponges.
No. And we cut, this hole was too big so we cut it. And so far it stopped the leaking where we had a leak. And it has been good. We put that good glue. I'll put a link and a picture right now how it looks.
Where's the leak, man?
And I put another one right here. And another one on this side. And this how it looks. Juan, you're ruining the shot. You just littered. Alright, well this is how it looks without the spoiler. Here, let me go a little back. Look how smooth that looks now. Smooth! Look at that. The rims are still looking pretty nice after the paint. The plastic dip. I don't know why that's orangey, but you know, it's whatever. Dang, this is a nice ass view. Thumbnail? Question mark? Juan, is this thumbnail material? Alright, good talk. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this long awaited video. I'm so sorry, but it looks amazing right now without the spoiler.